Hello, David Bradley from the Box Room here. And while I enjoy being in the Box Room, there's one thing every year that I look forward much more to than being in the Box Room or the Pet Room or the Pool Room. And that is the World of Commodore, presented by the Toronto Pet Users Group. Yes, TPUG has been around since the beginning of Commodore. Shortly thereafter, the club was started by Jim Butterfield, rest his soul, and Lyman Duggan, who I was speaking to just last night. Anyway, the World of Commodore is happening December 2nd and December 3rd of 2023 at the Admiral INN in Mississauga, Ontario, which is very close to Toronto, just a hop, skip, and a jump off the QEW. So mark it down in your app, your calendar, or whatever, and we'll see you there. It will be epic. Many more details to follow. Bye for now.